Hello class, welcome to you another video of the class 11th and the biology chapter number morphology of flowering plants. Class, before this video you have seen that the first family of this chapter, that was a Fabaceae. Okay, and another name is Leguminosae or Papilionidea. Okay, but today I will discuss the next two family, that is the Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Class, uh, in this chapter, the name of this chapter is a morphology. Means uh, uh, this chapter deals the external feature of the plants. Means that feature which we can see by the naked eye, that's called morphology. Okay, so we have studied many things like root, stem, leaf, flower, that parts, their parts, and fruit, type of fruits, and after then we are reached to the family. The family is a Solanaceae. This is also called potato family. This is also called potato family. This widely occurs in tropics, subtropics, even temperate zones. The vegetative characters: plant mostly herbs, shrubs, and rarely small trees. Means generally these are small plants. That's herbs types, shrubs types. Very rare it occurs in a form of small trees. Stem: herbaceous, rarely wood, aerial, erect, cylindrical, branched, and solid. Are hollow, hairy or glabrous underground stem in potato. The name of potato, its scientific name is a Solanum tuberosum. Okay. Next, about the leaves. Leaves are alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound, X-stipulate, and venation reticulate. Before 2 or 3 videos, we have discussed about the venation, reticulation. That is a reticulate venation. Okay. Next thing is a floral characters. Here inflorescence is solitary, axillary or cymose. Solitary, axillary or cymose in Solanum. Flower, it is a bisexual and actinomorphic. Bisexual and actinomorphic. Calyx, sepal number is 5 and it is united. It is unite condition. Means attached to each other. Persistent, and the estivation is a valvate type. Second thing is a corolla. Number of petals is 5. It's also united and also valvate estivation. Androecium. Next thing is equal to this is the 5 stamen and epipetalous. 5 stamen and epipetalous. Next thing is a gynoecium. Bicarpellary means the number of carpel is 2. Syncarpous means attached to each other. Both are attached to each other. This is called the syncarpous. And the ovary is a superior form. Means so that's this is a sign. Ovary is a superior. Bilocular, placental swollen with many ovules, and it is exile in nature. It is exile in nature. Fruits are, it is berry or capsule type, berry or capsule type. Seeds, many and endospermous, many and endospermous. The most important thing is a floral formula. The most important thing is a floral formula. If you have learned this floral formula, then you don't have to learn this floral characters. No need of it. Only you should learn the floral formula. This shows the zygomorphic, so this shows the actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx is a 5, and this shows the united condition. This shows the united condition. Corolla, calyx is a 5, corolla is a 5 and also united. Endoecium is a 5, but it is not united. And G bar 2, that means it is superior and biocular ovary. Okay, biocular ovary, and syncarpus means attached to each other. You can also learn this by this 555. Calyx, corolla and endoecium. Okay, learn this 555. The class next important thing is a economic importance. Economic importance means this many different type of plants are present in particular family. That is a food, spice, medicine, fumigatory and ornamentals. In case of food, tomato, brinjal and potato. Tomato, brinjal and potato. In spices condition is, example is chili. In case of medicine, that is the belladonna and ashwagandha. And fumigatories, tobacco, it's very important, tobacco. And in case of ornamentals, that is a petunia. Class, the next and last family is Liliaceae. It is also called lily family and characterized by monocot plants. And it is distributed worldwide in nature. The vegetative characters are perennial herbs with underground bulbs, culms and rhizomes. Leaves mostly basal, alternate, linear, ax stipulate with parallel venation. Now the floral characters. It is a inflorescence, solitary or cymose, often umbellate clusters. Flower, it is a bisexual in nature and actinomorphic. Perianth, tepal, 6, 3 plus 3. Class, one thing is novel, the perianth, when calyx and corolla both are attached to each other, then another name is used at that place, that is a perianth. Okay, perianth is that's called the tepal, 6, 3 plus 3, often united into tube and valvate estivation. Endoecium, stamen 6, 3 plus 3, epitepalous. Gynoecium, tricarpellary, means number of carpel is a 3. And syncarpus means attached. Ovary is a superior, means it represented by this trilocular with many ovules. And the placental is axile. Class, next thing is a fruit. Fruit is a capsule rarely berry. Capsule are rarely berry. Seed is endospermous. Seed is endospermous. Next thing is class floral formula. Bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 3+3, androecium 3+3, and gynoecium 3. Okay. The next thing is a economic importance. One thing is the ornamentals. Example of ornamentals is tulip, gloriosa. Source of medicine is aloe. Source of vegetables is asparagus, and source of colchicine is Colchicum autumnale. Okay. Here you can see the Allium cepa, onion, plant, inflorescence, flower, and floral